Today, we are going to talk about introducing yourself. The answer to that scary question, tell me about yourself. It's super important to know how to introduce yourself properly. Sometimes you might have to introduce yourself without warning, so it's good to be ready to introduce yourself well. It's good idea to have a self introduction prepared and memorized. By the end of this lesson, you will have a complete introduction that you can use and remember easily. So it's really important to choose an informal greeting that feels right for you. There are a lot of different ways to say your name when you are introducing yourself. Now let's talk about where you are from and where you live. One important thing to mention is your job and the company you are working for. If you want to talk about your work experience, you can say how many years you worked in a certain field. And you might also want to talk about your education, especially if you are in a job interview. So, a common mistake people is talking about the size of their family in the wrong way. Another thing, you can use simple phrases like I like running, I enjoy tennis, to talk about your hobbies. And if you want to mention your age, you can say I am 20 years old. I am excited to hear about your introduction and facts if you want to share them. I'm going to see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye for now.